Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Law Prep Tutorial. You see, is time ke around every single year in the month of June and July, kids start asking this question repetitively, how to choose CLAT coaching. Well, it's simple, right? Choose the one that works for you the best. Now, who are you? There are many different types of CLAT aspirants. The first kind is somebody who's just right now come to know about the common law admission test and needs guidance from scratch. Category 2 could be a CLAT aspirant who has taken admission in a particular coaching institute, but they are unhappy, they're not getting that kind of guidance, and their mock scores are also very, very low, and they're looking for some kind of guidance that is going to help them to get to their dream law school. Category 3 could be some kids who have already taken the common law admission test, wish to retake this examination, are okay with the concepts, and all they require are a lot of relevant practice material as well as a lot of mocks. So regardless of the category that you fall under, one thing is certain, that there are 5 fundamental pillars based upon which you can check whether that particular CLAT coaching is actually working for you or not. Number 1 are your mocks, wherein you require your rank vis-a-vis a large pool. Secondly, faculties who can not only teach you the concept but also give you strategies to attempt accurately maximum questions out of 120 in your 120 minutes. Updated practice material which is relevant and not on the basis of purane aapke patterns, right? Instant doubt clarification as much as humanly possible, right? The teachers are anyway taking your classes. Sometimes it takes them a little bit of time, and yes, you have to wait till then. It can't be that instant, but as instant as possible. And mentorship. A mentor who totally knows you and your skill as an individual. You see, जिसकी एक बच्चे की स्ट्रेंथ दूसरे की वीकनेस हो सकती है, किसी का क्वांट अच्छा हो सकता है, किसी का सीआर बेकार हो सकता है, दूसरे का सीआर बहुत अच्छा हो, शायद क्वांट बहुत अच्छा ना हो. Your mentor should know you through and through so as to be able to tell you exactly what to do with your time so that you can get maximum correct out of the attempts that you've made out of those 120 questions. So, very simple, there are 2 types of aspirants. एक जो एक जगह से क्लासेस ले रहे हैं, दूसरे जगह से मटेरियल ले रहे हैं, टेलीग्राम में 10 ग्रुप्स का पार्ट है, हर जगह मटेरियल ले रहे हैं, राइट? 3 जगह से जीके की मैगजीन उठाई हुई है. I mean, it's going to be a problem for this child because it's not humanly possible to read all of that. And so at the end of the day, he would be just busy gathering a lot of material and not really using it at all. On the other hand, then there are some kids who are themselves, in a good coaching institute, but because of the fact that they are one in too many, they are a little shy, so they are not going up to the teacher. They are thinking maybe, one size fits all is going to work for me, and I'm just going to quietly do what everybody around me is doing, and I'm going to get through it. इस बच्चे का भी नहीं होगा, इस बच्चे का भी नहीं होगा. Because you have to be pretty focused with what you have. इस बच्चे को क्या करना चाहिए था? अपने resources cut down करके relevant resources रखने चाहिए थे. और इस बच्चे को ऐसा coaching institute choose करना चाहिए जहां पे mentorship actually provide होती है. And by that I mean doubts actually clear होते हैं. And by that I mean जितनी जल्दी हो सके उतनी जल्दी, as soon as possible, right? So that is an indicator that you have to look into. Apart from that, of course, regardless of the coaching institute that you are in, definitely give the mocks where maximum participation is happening, only so that you get an idea as to your preparation vis-a-vis a child possibly who's come first or second or third in a larger pool, right? Apart from that, well, you see, the longer you take to ask a doubt and the longer it takes for your doubt to be clarified, the more are the chances that you're going to learn some random logic and you're going to misapply it and get a lot of incorrects. And of course, the negative marking and further on. The next thing is practice sheet A should be according to the pattern, right? पिछले 2, 3, 5, 6 साल से जैसे भी पैटर्न हो रहे हैं वैसे टाइप की आपकी प्रैक्टिस शीट्स हो और उसमें सरप्राइज एलिमेंट भी हो, वैसे ही पैसेजेस हो, that is one big indicator. The next one is doubt sessions, very, very important, because at the end of the day, this entire examination is more about analytical reasoning, right? Like, it's less about ratta. I keep saying that again and again because it's a fact, right? And so hence, obviously, you have to solve something. Now, if your line of thinking is absolutely opposite to the correct line of thought, and let's say you've not asked your doubts, or your faculty is not engaging with you in your coaching institute, that's the reason why you should either talk to your faculty, or you should think twice before enrolling in that particular coaching institute, because you require a lot of guidance here, and you require that guidance according to your weaknesses and your strengths, not something that works for 1,000 people, right? It should work for you. And then, of course, that goes on you. That's your personal responsibility towards yourself, that you open your mouth and you ask your questions and you ask for guidance. You can't sit pretty in a lot of people and expect that the other person should understand that you're not able to get the point. You see, next is deep customization, and that's exactly what I was talking about. What's going to work for the rest might not work for you. You need to figure out what works for you. And if quant is an issue, please go to your teacher. If the teachers are not accessible, that's not a coaching that you go for. It's as simple as that, right? If you're going to keep all of these things in mind, you will be able to get to your dream law school. So the final decision scorecard is, if you get it, a little bit from everywhere, that totally depends upon you. But if you get it all under one roof, that's even better, right? You have to know your rank vis-a-vis a larger pool. अगर 100 के बीच में अपना रैंक पता है, तो 1000 के बीच में भी आपको अपना रैंक पता होना चाहिए. If you can't go and enroll in such a CLAT coaching, please give their all India mocks, because you will be able to understand your rank vis-a-vis maybe 5,000 kids, as compared to your rank vis-a-vis 5 kids. Are you getting it? So that's what I'm trying to say, right? And then you have to have some kind of data-driven daily routine. What's data-driven? अच्छा, 5,000 में मेरा ये रैंक था, और ये वाली चीज में मेरे हमेशा स्कोर खराब हो रहे हैं. Now, this is my focus for the next 1 week. I'm going to do a little bit of the rest of the sections, but logical reasoning is going to be where I put all of my focus, because my data has told me that I need to work on that, right? So very data-driven approach is required. At the end of it all, I'd like to say, leverage the system, execute the strategy. जितनी मर्जी कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट में अच्छे में आप चले जाओ, जब तक आपने घर जाके या अपने पीजी में जाके वो पढ़ाई नहीं की, if you don't pick up those practice papers and if you don't solve them, then guys, it doesn't even matter how good the CLAT coaching is. So yes, the responsibility also lies on you to be honest, to be diligent, and to actually practice over and over again, especially on the days that you're tired or you're terribly bored. Right? Thank you very much. I will see you soon with another strategy video.